How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my keys.
Can you speak slowly?
Sure, I can.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Paris.
What's your favorite animal?
I love cats.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to the beach.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thanks.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's the date today?
It's December 31st.
What do you usually do on Sundays?
I relax at home.
Have you eaten yet?
Yes, I had lunch.
What's the problem?
My phone isn't working.
Can I call you later?
Sure, talk to you then.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite flavor?
I like chocolate.
How long does it take?
It takes about 10 minutes.
Can you open the window?
Sure, I'll do it.
Where are you going on vacation?
I'm going to the mountains.
How's the traffic today?
It's very busy.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
What's your phone's battery percentage?
It's at 50%.
What's your favorite sport?
I love basketball.
Can you turn on the TV?
Sure, let me do it.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 8 a.m.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all.
What's your favorite holiday?
I enjoy Christmas.
Can you write that down?
Yes, of course.
How's your project going?
It's going well.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it online.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's very quiet.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a movie.
Is it interesting?
Yes, it's very good.
How often do you call your family?
I call them every week.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I play video games.
What's the weather like today?
It's cloudy.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, let's go.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk.
Can you close the door?
Sure, no problem.
What time do you usually sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please.
Are you free this weekend?
No, I'm busy.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy comedies.
Where are you now?
I'm at home.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, she's very kind.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm watching a movie.
How far is it from here?
It's about 2 kilometers.
Do you like working here?
Yes, it's a nice place.
What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics.
When will you come back?
I'll be back at 6 p.m.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, it's fun.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
How was the party?
It was amazing.
Are you going to the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I cook every day.
Can you send me the details?
Sure, I'll send them now.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, of course.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Do you want to go for a coffee?
Yes, that sounds great.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting.
Can you fix this?
I'll try my best.
What's your favorite song?
I like Imagine by John Lennon.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Italian restaurants.
How do you feel about this?
I think it's a good idea.
Can I call you now?
Yes, I'm free.
What's your favorite snack?
I like chips.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Can you teach me that?
Yes, I'd love to help.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're very friendly.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Can you meet me tomorrow?
Yes, let's meet at noon.
How long will it take?
It will take about 30 minutes.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can.